Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about different profiles in TCS. So this is a must watch video if you are going to join TCS in the upcoming months or in the upcoming year. So it will be very beneficial for you because in this video we are going to talk about all the different profiles which are there in TCS, what is the eligibility criteria in order to apply for these profiles, and what is the salary that the company is providing for all of these different profiles. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end for full information of every profile in TCS. So again, before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel as I regularly update off-campus drives as well as these kinds of important videos on my channel. Also, if you have not followed me on Instagram yet, make sure to follow as I regularly upload job postings there as well. Moving ahead, first of all, let's see the different profiles in TCS. So in TCS there are various profiles like Ninja, Digital, Innovator and Smart. So now we are going to talk about each profile in detail and what is the salary and the eligibility for each profile. So first of all, let's talk about Ninja profile. So Ninja profile, the designation that you are going to get is Assistant System Engineer Trainee, and this is your profile when you join the company as a fresher. The package that the candidates get for this role is 3.6 LPA. Eligibility in order to apply for this drive is B or BTech, and also the students with undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma are currently in their pre-final year or final year or have passed out, which means that if you are currently in your third year or fourth year, or even if you have completed your graduation, then you can apply for this drive. So the next profile that is there is Digital profile. Now the designation that you are going to get for Digital profile is System Engineer. The package that the company provides for this Digital profile is 7 LPA, and the eligibility required for this profile is BE, BTech, students with undergraduate, postgraduate and candidates who are in their diploma and are currently in their pre-final or final year or have passed out, which means that the eligibility criteria for the Ninja and Digital is same only. Now how can you join the company for Digital profile, right? So there are different ways in which you can get a Digital profile in the company. First of all is competitive coding. So if you are very good in your competitive coding, what you can do is you can attempt the Code Vita exam that the TCS conducts every year. Now in this exam there will be 6 coding questions and you need to solve them in 6 hours. Basically, if you solve 2 or 3 questions also, you are going to clear this exam and you are going to get the package of 7 LPA from the company. Other way is direct hiring. So TCS also recruits candidates from the on-campus drives. So if your TCS visits your college, then you can directly appear for this drive. Next is TCS NQT. Now TCS NQT majorly hires for the Ninja role, but if the candidates score very good marks, then they are also offered the Digital profile in TCS. So these are some different ways in which you can secure Digital profile in TCS. Now these were the ways in which a fresher can get a Digital profile in TCS, but if you have joined the TCS as a Ninja candidate, so then also after that you always have a chance to upgrade your profile to Digital. Now how can you do that? So TCS, what they do is they conduct exam like after every 4 months, which is called as TSLP or Wings exam. In that, what you need to do is you need to do some courses and you need to appear for some tests, and once you clarify those tests, your profile will be directly upgraded to Digital from Ninja. So these are some of the ways in which you can acquire Digital profile in TCS. Moving ahead, the next profile is Innovator profile. So for Innovator profile, mainly the candidates who are from IITs, NITs or triple ITs, basically Tier 1 and Tier 2 college candidates are usually preferred for this Innovator profile. The package that the company offers for this profile is 10 plus LPA, which means that the minimum package is 10 LPA, and even the company pays more than this. Now basically the candidates who are selected for Innovator profile, they are usually given the research based roles. So this is some detail about Innovator profile. Now the next is TCS Smart hiring. So TCS Smart hiring is mainly for the candidates who are from BCA and BSc. Okay, so if you are from BCA and BSc background, and if you are looking for joining the TCS, you can join the TCS via this Smart hiring drive. The role that you are going to get in this is trainee role. Candidates who perform well in TCS Smart Hiring gets a chance to join TCS Ignite, which is a science to software program of TCS. So again, a very good opportunity for all the candidates who comes from different backgrounds other than BE or BTech. So for applying to any of these profiles, what you need is you need to have 60% throughout your academics, and you should not have any backlogs at the time of joining. So even if you have backlogs while currently in the in your college, what you need to do is you need to clarify your backlogs when you are going to join the company. So when you are joining the company on the first day, you should not have any backlogs at that time. So this is the basic requirements that you need to have while joining the TCS. So I hope all of your doubts were cleared, and I have created a separate video in which I have explained in detail about the TCS hiring process. If you have not checked that, make sure to check that. I will leave the playlist link in the description. I have a playlist on my channel which is related to TCS. Make sure to watch all those videos if you are going to join TCS. This will be very much helpful to you. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and join us on different social media platforms like Telegram and Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates from our channel. Thank you and all the best.